Kalau orang lain kan nampak nenek dia orang borak dengan strangers, it's something nice because they're like building a conversation. Tapi kalau nenek aku borak dengan orang, aku risau mat. Takut member mental damage. Nenek aku kaki spin. Nanti balik-balik dia pusing cerita, dia cakap kita dera dia ke apa. Astagfirullahaladzim. I tell you, my mother really asked, why you laughing? You think it's funny? You don't know people there really victim man. Aku nak dengar dulu, takut nanti orang kena stress. This one, the king mat.
Rồi giờ ta thì cái gì cái gì
Aku kena bagi warning dulu. Kalau tak nanti dia kaki spin. Borak-borak buat macam bestie yang ni. Kau percaya I? Aku laundry ada lagi 20 minit. Kau percaya? Kalau dia sampai 30 minit, mesti jadi musuh punya. You laugh what? You know right? You know her pattern one, okay? Every time best friend for the first 10-15 minutes, then after half an hour, enemy already one. Cannot one. This is not a joke. Tengok dia tunjuk nanti cakap tak tahu siapa hutang dia duit ke apa ke. Dah kan? Aku dah kata terus jadi musuh. Member terus gerak. Dah tak tahan dah. Nah, tak percaya.